the one, katong istorya ni Ma'am Andrea, sa out of 2,000 plus nga nag-file of certificate of candidacy sa Cebu, Central Visayas with respect to the 2025 local elections, naapatay natala ng mga 800 plus na nag-file lang as of yesterday. So, chances are, dalit na sila karon siguro pag-submit na sa ilang mga records. But to be specific, sa out of 2,385 na nag-file of certificate of candidacy, broken down to 1,268 for Cebu and 1,117 for Bohol. Only 839 ang naka-file lang. That is 395 sa Bohol, then 444 sa Cebu. So we're expecting na with this deadline, mahabol nila because chances are, dilit na ma-memorize at doon nila i-file sa Manila and then they will have to face the consequence of whatever happens to their SOSE, which is statement of contributions and expenditures na wala na akong ma-receive. Because we will simply have to report to Manila kinsa ni mga kandidatuha, wala makasubmit, whether nidaog ba